Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document before sending it in Docusign. Whether you're just getting started with electronic signatures or looking to streamline your document workflow, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, head over to the Docusign website. Docusign is recognized as the leading platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. You'll find it incredibly user-friendly with a comprehensive set of tools to manage your document signing process efficiently. Once you're on the website, the first thing you'll need to do is log in. Look for the login button, usually at the top right, and click on it. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to create one. It's essential for signing and sending documents through Docusign. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage, your main hub for all document activities. From here, click on the Start button. It should be prominently displayed, and it marks the beginning of the document preparation process. By clicking on it, you're taking the first step towards sending your documents for signing. Next, it's time to add the necessary details to the document you intend to send. This includes specifying recipients, adding any message you'd like them to see, and setting reminders if needed. It's crucial to ensure all the information is correct at this stage because this is what your recipient will see when they open the document. Take your time and make sure everything is exactly how you want it. Once all the details are entered, click the next button. This transitions you to the stage where you add interactive fields to your document. One of the most important fields, of course, is the signature field. Locate the signature option among the available fields, click on it, and position it where necessary on your document. This allows you to sign your document before sending it and ensures your recipients have a clear spot to sign once they receive it. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to sign before sending a document in Docusign. By following these steps, you'll manage your documents effectively and ensure they are properly signed before going out. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial makes your document signing process in Docusign much smoother. Happy signing.